Our solar system is located in the Milky Way, a barred spiral galaxy with two major arms and two minor arms, having a disk of stars spanning more than 100,000 light-years. Our Sun is in a small partial arm of the Milky Way called the Orion Arm, or Orion Spur, between the Sagittarius and Perseus arms. Our solar system orbits the center of the galaxy at about 515,000 miles per hour, and it takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galactic center. The solar system is made up of our star, the Sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. It has one star, 8 planets, 5 officially named dwarf planets, 293 planetary moons, about 1.4 million asteroids, and about 4,000 comets, including fragments. According to the 2006 IAU General Assembly in Prague, astronomers agreed upon a formal definition of the word as follows: a celestial body that A. is in orbit around the Sun, B. has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium, nearly round shape, and C. has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. More generally, a planet 1 orbits its host star, just as the Earth and Jupiter orbit the Sun. 2 is large enough to be mostly round, and 3 must have an important influence on the orbital stability of the other objects in its neighborhood. The 2006 IAU resolution means that the solar system officially consists of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Dwarf planets. In the same resolution, a new distinct class of objects called dwarf planets was also defined. A dwarf planet is an object in orbit around the Sun that is large enough to pull itself into a nearly round shape, but has not been able to clear its orbit of debris. Generally, dwarf planets are smaller than Mercury and may also orbit in a zone that has many other objects in it. For example, an object within the asteroid belt is in a zone with many other objects that are all about the same size. Pluto now falls into the dwarf planet category because it resides within a zone of other objects that might cross its orbital path, known as the trans-Neptunian region. Aside from Pluto, there are 4 currently recognized dwarf planets in our solar system: Ceres, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris.